So 83 right here. Man. Put new lights on the front. New grill on there. New bezel, trim bezel. And that bumper, I need to replace that bumper, man. I got to find me a bumper to replace it. I'm thinking about putting one of them paintable bumpers on the front. You know. We on them original Radis with the Cooper Cobras. You know, we got these 6s right here. They a little dusty. They, Dubs. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh, that Pearl trying to hit right there, boy. Oh, Pearl trying to hit. Yeah, don't you know? Let me see what this old truck could do. Let me see what this old truck could do, man. Yeah. Got a on the 350. I would like to have an LS and all that, man, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I think I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do here. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean all this up. Cause this thing been in the paint body shop for half a year. I'm gonna clean all this up right here. All that up. I'm gonna try to get all them old wires off the back there. I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'm trying to get all that off. Paint the motor. You know what I'm saying? Get the new style breather. And I'm gonna try to do everything while the motor's inside the truck. I'm not one of those type people who get out there and take the motor out and do all that. I wish I could do it, but I can't. You know what I'm saying? That's yeah. That old 350. Shoot, let's get down to that pretty good. And over these jokers are past everything but the gas station. I mean, they pass everything but the gas station, you know what I'm saying? But I think this time to do a tune up on this 350 right here. Cause I done had this truck about 3 years, and 2 of those years I was down where I couldn't do anything. But by the grace of God, I'm back to where I can start doing things now. You know, God brought me through a rough time, and what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to testify on YouTube about what God did for me. Next upcoming or so video, because God is real. And can't nobody tell me no different. He is good. And if you don't like God, you don't believe in God, get on off my channel right now, because I'm going to lift up his name. I can say what y'all want to say. He good. Don't you know? Yeah, this old square body right here, man. This is a 8-tray GMC High Sierra 1500. You know what I'm saying? I like it. It's dirty right now. I need to clean it up. You know, I ain't about throwing them 6s on now. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying when I say it? Yep. Let me get this sucker bed out in the sun and see what that sun do with this paint. Let me just see. Yeah, let's see what people over there doing with all that noise. They over there pumping something. Yeah. Yeah. thinking I want to just throw the more rims on, man. Real right there, but you know what I'm saying. I roll like this too. You'd be amazed how many compliments you get just riding on your rallies. I was in a parade a couple weeks ago, and got a lot of love just rolling on these rallies. Let's clean it up real good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I can't get the right sun view to make them that old pearl hit, but I was told by a couple people when that sucker going down the road, it's hitting. What they told me. You know. But it is what it is. Yeah, I need to clean all this stuff. Man, the color I wanted, even though this is a GMC, and I believe GMCs came with black motors. Ah, man, I want to put that Chevy, what is it, Chevy 1 or Chevy Red? Y'all let me know on them valve cover gas. Clean it up. That old carburetor, I believe it's on this last leg. That thing right there. Using all kind of gas, man. You know what I'm saying? I need to do something about that. Then I need to replace this power steering gearbox right here. I need to replace that. You know what I'm saying? That right there was the old color right there. That was the color it was. So I said I need to get out there and fix it. I need to fix all this. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna take me a minute to do it, but I'm gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Don't you know no good? I'll see if I can put a picture in here of how this truck looked before I got it painted. You know, I ain't no videologist, whatever you call them people. But I'm gonna try to put somewhere. I'm putting it when I edit it. I'm gonna try my best to put it in there. You know what I'm saying? I got all my little parts and everything from LMC truck, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Them suckers did not. They did me right. They didn't leave me hanging on anything. They did me right. They did me right. They sent everything right on time. Like this piece right here, fast, came in fast. My door handles. My key thing right there. The chrome going around the body. My bezel, headlight bezel door. What they call them, headlight doors. The trim. I got them lights right there on Amazon. They came right on in. They gave them the wrong color though. Got this piece right here. LMC. I got these lights, tail lights off eBay. But if you're gonna get these black tail lights, make sure you have. See, somebody know when I got these black tail lights. When I got these black tail lights, they put them on for me and everything. They didn't come with the trim. I had to get the trim off LMC. But when I got the black tail lights, and they put them in at the paint body shop, I said, "Hey man, why my tail lights white?" They said, "Huh?" I said, "Man, my tail lights white." And they said, "Well, what the deal is you got these black tail lights, but they don't have no red on the inside. You got to go buy a red bulb." So I went to go try to find a red bulb. I couldn't find none nowhere. Then my My old girlfriend, she said, well, I tell you what. She said, won't you just get that, she said, won't you just go ahead and get that brake light tape. You know, the tape you put on your brake lens when they crack. So we got some of that and put on the inside of them. And it worked just fine. I had to give her the credit on that. I would have eventually thought of it though. I would have eventually thought of it, but she beat me to it. Yeah, but you know, it's all good. But I'm finna put some water on this joker, get on down that road and roll a bit. And we'll talk to y'all some other time. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got any ideas what I need to do this truck other than them rims? Let me know. Let me know what y'all think about it. You know what I'm saying? And the lack, y'all give some ideas on the lack. So we can do with this old lack, this old 79 Coupe de Ville. You know what I'm saying? Some people don't like it, but I'm not worried about what everybody else like. I'm worried about what I like. God done gave me a second chance in life. I ain't worried about that stuff I used to worry about no more. If I like it, I like it. You know what I'm saying? That is what that is. If you don't like it, I still like it. Yeah. Hey, I want all y'all to keep your prayers up. Go to God with prayer. Prayer changes things. I'll talk to y'all next time. Yep.